Even it out.
Right?
Yes, We put, yes, and then the bottom one, we stretch, stretch, stretch. Yes, stretch, 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 stretch. Hold the tension, let go. And then just tuck it in. Her own style. Okay, so we're gonna go to the one you can see and feel.
Right
Obviously, it's like, hello. Okay, and everything should be right next to you.
Okay, I'm not the best at feeling for veins.
So, the one you see, that bubble there.
Does it matter which angle I go at?
No, you can hit it right in the middle.
Like that? Vertical?
Yeah, right in the middle. So you wanna clean that site.
Round.
Circle concentric. Gets bigger, 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 bigger. And one swipe, just one in the middle. One swipe right in the middle. There you go. Now we're gonna open up. No, you're good. Yes. And this is how we're gonna hold it. Right there. Right here. And when you see the blood, hold your arm. Hold, that's your arm today. Okay. And then when you go in, if you see the blood, don't take it out, because that's normal. Okay,
Angle
let's
side?
go 1, 2, 3, in. Stay right there. Now put in that tube. As soon as you put it in, use the wing, the clot. Okay, now I'm gonna let go of your arm.
Okay.
Don't move it.
Nope.
Okay, you're gonna take out the tourniquet. That tube is gonna fill in. Just twist and pull it without moving that needle and without pushing the needle down. Relax your hand. Twist and pull. Yes. And 1, 2, 3, out. Yes. And you have to invert your tube. The last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna reassess your site, because you have to have her apply pressure for at least 2 to 3 minutes, right? So you're going to invert this 5 more times.
It does?
Yeah, but don't put your finger there, because that already has blood.